So I don't wear lashes in my videos. If you look through my videos, I don't wear lashes, and that's because I don't know how. But I recently ordered some off AliExpress, and this is a pair that I'm going to wear. They look really beautiful, and it has like an acrylic case, slip case, with the glitter background. And these lashes were less than $2. I'm not about to pay, I wasn't going to pay a lot of money for some lashes, and I don't know how to wear them. So, you know, I'm going to wear these. And they were less than $2. So I have my duo glue, and we're gonna attempt this. So I know these are the inner corners, but is there like a right and left? I did try lashes before, and it was a fail, and it was the OG red cherry lashes, so I'm like, maybe it was just those. These look a bit better, so I'm gonna try with these. So I have like a little cheap, I do have some tweezers if I need them, but if you want to see if this is going to be a fail or not, then just keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get started, I guess. This is a thin band. So I know I've seen people do this to like loosen the band. Oh Lord. Okay. So first, I'm gonna measure it to see how much I need to trim off. I'm dropping it. Oh Lord. Let me try. Okay. Hold on. Trying to see if I need to trim any off. Okay, I don't think I do. I'm not gonna trim any off. Alright, let's do this. Oh Lord. How I know if I placed, where do I place the, I don't know. I think I place it on the back. Okay, I'm doing this. Okay. Now they say look down and start at the inner corner. No, the middle, and then the inner corner. So looking back at the footage, I can see that I kept placing the lashes too far in the inner corner, and that was the feeling I didn't like. So as I'm editing, I'm going back and looking at the mistakes I made. So the next time I do record a look, I am going to put on the lashes, and I'm going to keep in mind that I need to place them correctly in the outer corner first before everything started to dry. Oh no. I don't think I did something right. Alright, let's try this again. I'm gonna trim it. Now looking back, when I placed the lash here, it looked almost perfect. And when I'm looking back at the footage, I'm like, why did I take this off? I should have just rolled with it. But I think I did ended up taking this off. These lashes took me a long time to apply. I kept taking it off and reapplying it, wasting all of my memory card footage. I was like really stressed, but I just had to be patient and I did not give up. So this video was going to be long, so I kind of sped up some parts, hoping you guys can still understand what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna try this one more time. I need to clean the glue. Well, guys, so after like the third attempt, I kept trying to clean off the glue and they started falling apart. And this was, I think, D02. I'm gonna save this one though, because I'm gonna practice. I'm gonna go with D1. They more natural looking. Okay, so that one I put too close to the inner corner of my eye. I should have trimmed it, but I forgot. Because I feel it every time I blink. I give up. I look like, what's that girl from Flavor of Love? The one that said she looked like Beyonce. I look like her. Seriously.
I mean, that ain't cool.
Okay. So I'm gonna let that dry, then fix it. My camera's about to run out of memory. So I'll come back when this is done. So you guys, this is the completed eye look with the lashes on. I didn't film an outro, or at least I can't find it. But I know these lashes had me stressed out, but I didn't give up because I attempted another pair of lashes and I'll upload that video next. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and also leave a comment down below and tell me what you think, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.